Hello friends, good morning and welcome in this new topic. I'm going to start a new topic which is related to our causes of unemployment. But before that I am going to complete one more type of the related topic which we have completed on Wednesday. Related to that only I'm just discussing our next topic, which is related to types of unemployment. Friends, that day I have done types of the unemployment, but 2 points are remaining. There's 2 points I'm going to complete now. Okay. Friends, people want to do work, they want to need the work, but due to the many reasons, because of the high population, because of the they have no any idea about the work, they have no any idea about the new technology, but maybe other reasons. These are not getting. These are ready to do a job at a given price at a given particular point of time. Instead of that, these people are not getting work. These people are unemployed. These people want to do work, but they are not getting work. It's known as unemployment. And related to that, I have started some topics, types of unemployment. I have started, and in that I have completed fully unemployment. That means what? Open unemployment. What is the meaning of open unemployment? Open unemployment, that means a person who is ready to do work at any wages, okay, but that person is not getting work, nothing, any work that person is not getting, then that is known as open unemployment. Most of this type of unemployment we can see in the rural area as well as in the urban area. Mostly it is in our Indian urban areas. Okay. So it is related to developing countries. Now second one we have completed, that has related to this fictional unemployment. Sorry, under unemployment. Under unemployment, that means a person who is capable to do a job at high level. That means that person is educated, whatever their qualification, whatever the ability of to do a work, but there, according to his qualification, according to his ability, according to his knowledge, that person is not getting work, but that person has engaged in any other work. That type of unemployment is known as hidden or underemployment. Okay, underemployment. So this type of examples I have explained, like a person who have completed a charter accountant. That person is charter accountant. That person has completed CA, but due to the other reasons, maybe high population, maybe not availability of the job, that person have decided to do work at lower lower type of work, whatever ability that person have, not on the same ability job, he will get work less than his ability, less than his knowledge, less than his qualification for few time period, maybe for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year. That person is ready to do a job less than his or her ability. That is known as under. Then I started disguised unemployment. I said that disguised unemployment, that means an unemployment when a person is doing work, but in real, that person's marginal productivity is zero. What is zero? Marginal productivity is zero. That means if that person will remove from the work, nothing any effect on the total production. That is noise. That is noise disguised unemployment. For example, on a farm, a person in a on the farm, a family is doing work, agricultural activity, and on that farm, 5 peoples of the same family, these peoples are doing work, and they can produce 20 quintal of wheat. Okay, friends? They are producing how much? 20 quintal of wheat. Maybe one more family member increased in their family. Then after there is a total 6. members, and these are doing same type of agriculture activity, and this can be produced same type of production, again 20 quintal of wheat. That means what? One more extra labor engaged in the same work. That person also doing same type of production, but no any type of improvement in the total production. Total production is as it is. That time also it has 20 quintal when 5 laborers, workers have done the agriculture related activities. When one more increased and days are total 6 workers and these 6 workers are producing, then also it has 20 quintal of total weight. That means what? One more extra 6 numbers labor have marginal productivity only 0, and due to that reason that persons have not got employment. That is only disguised unemployed, okay, because of his marginal productivity is 0. So if that person 6th numbers labor removed from the work, then also no any effect on the total production. So this one person will be removed from the work and that person will be disguised unemployed. Now next one is frictional unemployment. What do you mean by the frictional unemployment? A frictional unemployment, that means temporary nature. What I can say? Temporary nature. It arises due to market imperfections. Market imperfections. Because the market is imperfections and people shifts one place to another and there they seek jobs. There may be unfilled vacancies at that place, but it takes some time to match the unfilled vacancies. In rural area, it is characteristics by disguised unemployment, seasonal employment, and underemployment. In the urban area, it is characteristics by educated unemployment, open unemployment, and industrial unemployment. Same type of point I am going to explain from your text. In your textbook, same topic is given. So we have done disguised unemployment in my last video. We have started this disguised unemployment, and I said that disguised unemployment means the hidden unemployment. This type of unemployment is very common in the developing India, also developing countries. I will say in our India also it is very common, mostly in the agriculture sector. Okay. And I said that zero marginal productivity. Remember this word? It's most timely word in that. You know, friends, in economic subject, mostly importance is given to is all contents. If you will write more than one page answer, but your contents are not perfect in that answer, then you will get 0. Not OC, it's equal. So in this, we have to complete this all topics from the our textbook, and main content you should be highlighted by the highlighter pens. So during your revision, you can easily revise this highlighted and underlined point sentences and words. So during my explanation, you have to underline these sentences and words. Okay, friends. Cyclical unemployment, I said yesterday. Before one day, I said that cyclical unemployment is related to developed country because of mostly these developed countries suffered this type of cycle. Cycle is not trade cycles. Boom, then again depletion, recovery, boom, again this type of conditions. These 4 phases occurring mostly in the developed countries. But our country, this developing countries also affected by. Okay. So during the inflation time period, people will get work, investment also will be high, production, income, employment, everything will be high. But in the depression time period, there is a reduction in the demand of goods and services. Due to reduction in effective demand, industries have to reduce the production or shut down the production, and many laborers are retrenched from the work, removed from the work, and people will be unemployed. And depression becomes the reason for unemployment, and this type of unemployment is known as cyclical unemployment. Again, whenever it will be recovered and people will get employment, and then this will be employed. So this type of trade cycle occurred mostly in the developed countries. So this one also related to mostly developed countries, but developing countries also affecting. And in 1929-30, this countries and US also affected by the US was depression, and it has great depression, and during that time period so many people removed from the work and this were unemployed. This type of developed countries like America, England, France, and all other countries are developed countries faces this type of unemployment. And due to capitalist market mechanism, every no and the cyclical employment is seen in Indian diamond industry faces this type of unemployment. 8% our Indian market is facing this unemployment. Because of the corona disease, so many people removed from the work and now at present is unemployed. Okay. So it is cyclical due to the cyclical changes. That's why its name is cyclical unemployment. Now next and last point is frictional unemployment. Frictional unemployment is, that means when in the production process, because of change in the demand or production or due to change in the test and preferences or new technology. Actually, these all are causes of the frictional unemployment. These causes are due to change in the taste of the consumer, due to the change of the demand, due to the change of the production, due to the change of the preference or new technology, new goods enter in the market, and unemployment arises. Then this unemployment is called frictional unemployment. Correct, friends? Frictional unemployment, that means due to change in the production process, due to change in the demand, due to change in the production, total production, due to change in the taste or preference of the consumers, or new technology came in the market, new goods entered in the market, and due to this all, people removed from the work, and whenever they will get new technology, they will get new knowledge about that. Whenever new technology again adapted by them, then these people will get work. But during this time period, these peoples will be unemployed, and it is called frictional unemployment. In a developed nation, it is also related to development because of research and development work mostly done in the developed countries. Our country, India country also doing, but mostly this type of research and development work has done in the developed countries. So it is also related to developed country. Third and fourth related to developed country. First and second is related to developed country. Okay. Overall, these all are types. So production system face economic loss and shutdown during this time if new production system entered in the market. All production system will be replaced to the by the new production system. Then the units with all production system face economic loss and shutdown. There is a result, the laborers working in the all production system, in the all production technology, in the all production process, these people will be removed from the work, and till they don't learn the work according to the new technology, these people will suffer the unemployment problem. But for short term, whenever these people will get work, these people will get knowledge about new technology and trend for the new technology, these people will again will get job. But till they don't learn the work during this time period, they will be unemployed. You know, friends, smartphone replaced all mobile phones. So these all companies, there's all type of companies which produce the this old phone, you know, keypad Nokia phone, this type of phone, these companies are producing. These companies will be not continue sell their product in the market because each and every person want to purchase smartphone, Right, friends? So, laborers engaged in the production of this type of all technology, all fun production work, this all will remove from the work and this become all mobile phones will be and services of all mobile phones will be become unemployed. This is known as frictional unemployment. Got it? Next one is related to next topic, which is causes of unemployment. What do you mean by the causes of unemployment, friends? Causes that means किस वजह से अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट होता है, क्या रीजंस है, क्या कारण. These all are causes of unemployment. These causes of unemployment you can think. You know, friends, if you are thinking yourself, you can get these ideas, you can get these answers, and this answer you can learn for the long time too. Because you are not learning that, you are thinking and you are learning. So you can learn the same answer for the long time period. Okay, friends? So what is the cause of the unemployment? You think and tell within 1 minute. Oh, obviously I cannot listen, but you think and you tell yourself. Causes of unemployment. What type of causes occurring in the unemployment? Friends, this causes more. There's mostly organizations, commissions, central statistical organizations, national sample survey. That means what? NSSO and journals published by Employment Exchange Reports. Bhagwati Committee was established to study the problem of unemployment, and it's really talk about the magnitude and causes of unemployment. So, to improve the rate of the economic development of a country and to solve the problem of unemployment, in 1951, planned steps were taken, but problem of unemployment become more severe. Maybe it is reduced. By the 5-year plan, 53 lakh people were unemployed. Okay, at the end of 5th-year plan, and the end of the, because of it is more important for one more question, so I am highlighting here. You can also highlight in your textbook. In the end of the first 5-year plan, 53 lakh people were unemployed, which is increased to 304 lakhs at the end of the 5th 5-year plan, and 348.5 lakh at the end of the 9th 5-year plan. It was what so many steps taken by planning commissions, by the NSSO, by the various policies. Instead of that, this problem is arising in our country. So what type of causes are occurring this serious problem? These causes we are going to discuss. These causes are, first one is high rate of population growth. High rate of population growth. You know, in India, size of the population is increasing by very high rate, day by day, and all peoples cannot get work. Okay, because of their ability, because of their working power, and because of their knowledge, education level, and this all are affecting. So, because of the high growth rate of the population, quantity of peoples are high. जो काम करने वाले वो लोग ज्यादा है, लेकिन उनके लिए जो opportunities are less, right? So because of the high growth rate of the population, there is tremendous, and you can say very high level increase the size of the population. Okay, and with these labor supply also increases rapidly, and there is a continuous increase in the new labors. Workforce is increasing in search of employment in labor market, but similarly, you can say these are not getting the job. Slow rise in employment opportunities, but people are increasing very fast. Population is increasing very fast. Opportunities are increasing, but by slow rate, and population is increasing very high rate. So this type of distance occurred in this both. People want to do work, but they have no any. They have very less opportunities of the work. So peoples are unemployed. It is the main reason. Growth rate and high population. And Some people also, if they will not get work according to their ability, they will accept the less work also. That means compared to their ability, a low work they will be accept like chartered accountant work as a clerk, or a software engineer will work as a worker in garage. Why they accept it? Because of the unemployment. वो सोचते हैं कुछ नहीं कमाने से तो बेटर थोड़ा बहुत तो कुछ मिल रहा है like that, and they will start their job, and these type of people are underemployed. According to one estimate in India, each year there is an increase in the population by 1.70 crore, which is more than total population of Australia. Have you listened this sentence what I said? I said that according to one estimate in India, each year there is an increase in the population. 1.70 population हमारी increase हुई. 1.70 crore population is increasing, which is more than total population of Australia. So with this much increase in the population and lack of the employment opportunities, it's obvious that unemployment will rise. The rate of growth of the populations, the rate of growth of the employment is not much lesser than the population. Population is increasing very fast. Growth rate is also very fast, and people are not getting employment, which gives rise to the problem of unemployment. And it keeps on increasing. Next one is slow rise in the employment opportunities. Population is increasing very fast, and our second point is slow rise in the employment opportunities. Increase in the employment and economic growth rate has a strong relationship, but during planning period, there was continuous increase in the economic growth, but we failed in the creating employment opportunities, which shows that economic growth has remained jobless growth. What type of growth? We are having economic growth. We are saying that per year our economic growth is rising very fast, but friends, it is remains only jobless growth. Okay. In the first 3 decades of the planning, India attained 3.5% of the economic growth. How much? 3.5% economic growth. This growth rate increased to 7.6% in the 10th five-year plan and 7.8% in the 11th five-year plan. But still, number of unemployment kept increasing. Now also there is an increase. Even after planned economic growth, opportunities cannot be created for all and new entrants. Okay, entrants. Green revolution also started for the agriculture sector, but it has limited a certain areas. You know, friends, it has mostly worked in the Punjab. Okay. But this backward state and backward areas of our India, these states, these areas have not accepted this type of green revolution in all the agriculture sector for all crops. And due to that reason, in agriculture sector also unemployment is there. And these are creating this type of hidden and other disguised unemployment in the agriculture sector. And it creates as per labor supply, which increased unemployment. Okay, friends. Next and last for today topic I am explaining. Then after next topic I will explain next day. Next topic is related to third one. This third one is capital intensive production techniques. You know, friends, we have two types of production techniques. Two types of production techniques are labor intensive technique and capital intensive technique. What do you mean by the capital intensive technique? Capital intensive technique means if in the production process high proportionate of the capital used in the production process. You know, land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. We have these four factors of the production. Land is must, and last one entrepreneur also must. We have this two, labor and capital. If a producer is rising labor, number of labor, that person will be reduce the capital. But it is known as labor intensive of the production. In our India, Another side is capital intensity. Capital intensity technique means what? If proportionate of capital is higher than all other factors in the production process, that is known as capital intensity technique. So, and already in our India population is high. Which type of production or production process should be adopted by our India? There is there is a strictly of there is a scarcity of the capital and abundance of labor in India. You know that in our India, capital is scarce and labors are abundant because of the high population. In this circumstance, to solve the problem of unemployment, labor-intensive technique of the production should have been adopted. But the second five-year plan, India has adopted development of heavy and basic industries. In planning schemes, also a place of capital intensive technique. Labor intensive technique was given less importance. In agriculture and industries, mechanization was adopted, which increased employment at slow rate, very slow rate, because of these are using machines. Okay, these are using new type of modern techniques in agriculture field also. And people's workers replaced from their work because of the machinization. Because of the machinization, all work has done by the machines only on the place of the labor. So people's labors will be removed from their work and things like that. It is the cause, it is the reason. In the industrial sector also, to increase the productivity and to get security against organized labor unions. Such a policy is adopted which saves labor. That means labor work is done by the machine. So labor is removed from the work and they are unemployed. Other than that, railway, irrigation, roads, construction, and public sectors of a state also use capital intensive techniques. As a result, people are not getting work in become adequate, which is adequate already. Okay, and that's why Bhagwati Committee and Venkat Raman Committee which was formed to study unemployment, also recommended to use less of machinization. If machine will use less, then people will get work and unemployment problem will be solved. So friends, we have completed 4 points today. Okay. Fifth one again I will complete then over. Next one is, now I will start from the 6th. Next one is related to lack of the vocational education. You know friends, our Indian education system is also affecting this type of unemployment. In Russia, Japan, in USA, these countries are also providing education to their students. But what is the difference between our education and their education system? In their education system, they are mostly providing practical knowledge, industrial knowledge. Okay. And their main objective is to increase the economic growth rate, plus to increase their knowledge to do practically work. They are creating atmosphere in every sector, not only for the job, in every sector. But you know, friends, in our India, these people who will be educated, that person, this type of people are want to do a white collar job. These are not ready to start their own business. These are not ready to start their practical work. So, in our India, the lack of the vocational education. 8% education fell in the mental and physical formation of human being. Even after acquiring education, a person is incapable of self-employment. They are not ready to start their self-employment. अगर कोई पढ़ा लिखा है उसको बोल दो आप कि तेरे को जॉब नहीं करके एक लारी खोलना है, क्या वो स्टार्ट करेगा? अब इसलिए नहीं करेगा. उसको हम ये बोलते तेरा खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर दे, वो नहीं करेगा. That person will think, I am educated, so why I will do my own self work? I will do a great job. I will do that job. I will do this job. Like, but that person will not start their side business. In our India, lack of the vocational education, people are ready to do a white collar job. They are not ready to start their self-employment. Due to that reason, these people are suffering from the problem of unemployment. These causes are, first one we have completed, last one I will start from the last, lack of vocational education. Fourth one has related to capital intensive production technique. Third one is low rate of the saving and investment. This one I will explain, it's manual. And second one is low rise in the employment opportunities. And first one has the high rate of the population growth. These all are causes of the unemployment in our India. This few points I have compared. Next points I will start next day. Okay. During this time period, friends, you revise your answers and complete your portion. And start to write your question answer for chapter number 4. Okay, third one we have completed, money and inflation. Fourth one you start and revise chapter number 1 to 3. Properly you start your revision. And whenever you are writing, friends, that time please and please don't copy from other notes. You have to write by yourself. By self, you can write. Don't take any other help. So your willpower will be strong. In final exam, you will not face any problem. Otherwise, in the final exam also, you will think any other person will help me. You will be habitual for that. So please revise yourself without any copy. You have to write and practice for these answers. I have sent time limit also for 1 mark for MCQ and for large answer, for detailed answer, for points, how much time is required. I had seen that time duration also section wise. So please friends follow that and complete your answers. Okay, thank you. Be happy. We will meet again in the next lecture.